Hi, so today we're going to be doing the Bethesda Audio Override. So to get started, we're going to go and do a standard install first using GOG.com installer, which you should already have installed or downloaded. So the key here to this Bethesda Audio Override is that the DirectX install has errors. It doesn't run completely, so we have to find the files that need to be substituted and put them in to make the DirectX functionality for these Bethesda games work just great. So I'm going to take a little break from this installation process and show you the Bethesda games that work with this override. And so the override works like this. So first there is The Elder Scrolls 4 Oblivion, and there's Fallout 3, and then there is Fallout 4 and Skyrim. All these games benefit from this audio override to prevent the audio from being skippy. So with these hurdles and basic list taken care of, we're going to get started and get the audio override running. Alright? Alright. So as we get started with the override, here we are. We're going to wine configuration. Now, I'm going to have a note file, and here it is. These are the files. You need to copy and paste the words into the wine configuration. The library tab, to be more specific. So you take the library tab, cut and paste these in. And when you cut it in, you add it in, and make sure you apply so that it saves that setting. So you add, do copy and paste 4 times for each of these 4 files that didn't get installed with the DirectX component. There's the 4th one. Add after you paste it in, apply, and OK. So now it should work just great because you've added on all the files the DirectX installer failed to install. Tutorials. Now this is another episode to show you the Bethesda Audio Override. I'll be making a special edition of this video that shows both versions because this version is for getting the Bethesda games within Steam to work with far less crashes and much better audio without much error. So in the case of Steam games, it's a little different because you have to use the wine configuration process into the Steam bottle instead of into the game bottle like you do with the GOG or CD/DVD installations for Bethesda games. So here I'm going to get started and we're going to take a look at how this works a little differently when you're using Steam. So without much further ado, we are going to get started in 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, so here we are. This is a Steam bottle in Coders Crossover 24, and here are the override files that we're going to copy and paste. So we're going to copy and paste X3 Audio 1.6. Copy that down in the libraries of wine configuration, the libraries tab. Then we're going to do X3 Audio 1.7. That one, copy and paste. Yeah, I need to take a look at my mouse because it's being a little skippy today. So 1.7, X Audio 2.6, add it using copy and paste so you get the text right on it, and X Audio 2.7. All right, come on, copy and paste here. Copy and paste. Come on. Select it. I'm sorry about my mouse being in error, but you know, the copy and paste is a great way to make sure it copies and pastes. I will have the actual text for you to copy and paste in the description of this video, which will be this one, and it will also later come into being both versions of the Bethesda Audio Override. So there it is, and now you should be able to get into Steam and play whatever your Bethesda game is. So in the meantime, I am just going to be working on some more Bethesda games because they're one of the top scoring hits with my audience. You, my audience, demanded it. It's great, based on my views and my reactions to it in terms of likes, dislikes. I'm also going to be working on emulation because you really like my emulation instruction tutorials very much. So that's going to be what you can expect from me in upcoming videos. Hi everyone, Kaos Nova here, and this is the ending of the video presentation on Kaos tutorials. And here's the deal: if you want to see more of my tutorials on getting your old games to work on Mac, and you want to see more tutorials on how to do various other tasks, such as very cheap ways to make YouTube videos that still look decent, and much more, feel free to subscribe. And if you want to be among the first to get each video, hit the notifications. And please, if you enjoy liking this, your vote still counts, so please click the like with a big thumbs up. All right, you have a wonderful day, and I'll be signing off. Hello there. Now this is a way you can support my channel here. So first way is my store. This is the Streamlabs store. You can go buy some merchandise, support the channel, some little wacky merchandise with logos on it. Coming up next is my Teespring store, which I will feature products from the store on my videos, other content from time to time. Similar. Very similar, cool, spiffy merchandise you can get with logos on it. A nice hoodie right here with the winter season going on. And here's my Patreon. You can subscribe for exclusive access, early access, and the honor of being a member who offers support to my channel and the ongoing operations and creations especially. And the other one here, I also have a Rumble, which I have other videos for, because with YouTube you want to have a subject focus, so there's other content of other subjects, and this should be it. So in the meantime, I want to thank you as my audience for stopping by to watch this video, and thank you for all your support. In the meantime, be safe out there, and I'll be signing off.